Hey guys, it's Tyler from Peregrine, and today we are talking about our exfoliating face wash. Let's get into it. So, our exfoliating face wash is designed with two powerful exfoliators in mind. The first one is AHAs, which is a chemical exfoliant, so it's derived from citrus fruits and other sources, and it will exfoliate using ionic forces. And the other exfoliator, which is a great complement to that, is a micro clay that comes from here in Canada. It's a glacial clay, so it's going to micro exfoliate your skin and help remove all of the dead skin that comes off through the AHAs as well. And because we're using two exfoliators instead of one, they can be designed with a little bit more mildness in mind without losing any of the efficacy that we're looking for. This one's pretty simple to use. Just squeeze a little bit into your hand, either in the shower or when you wash your face, and lather it over the surface of your skin for about 15 or 20 seconds. If you want, you can also just let it sit, which will enhance the efficacy of the AHAs, but usually around 10 or 15 seconds is enough, and then you just rinse everything off as you normally would. One of the standout ingredients, other than the ones we've already talked about in our exfoliating face wash, is green tea extract, which is great because it soothes inflammation on your skin, evens out your skin tone, helps control oil production, and will also remove things like bacteria and grime from the surface of your skin. So the end result of the ingredients that I mentioned, and a couple that I didn't, is a face wash that is mild enough to definitely use every day, but is still effective as an exfoliant, which means that it's going to leave you with brighter, younger, and more even looking skin. The scent for our exfoliating face wash is bright and perfect for the morning and includes citrus fruits like bergamot as well as sweet birch, which gives it sort of a minty inflection that's really enjoyable.